Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you my first service experience, which has not happened yet because of the servicing center issues with Honda Big Wing. I bought this bike at Thane, as I said in my previous videos. I had a plan to drive this bike near Kolhapur, around 450 kilometers away from Thane, and when I tried with Kolhapur showroom guy, he told me that he doesn't have this oil filter which is exactly fitted over here, and it needs to be replaced by you run down 1000 kilometers, and you need to refill the engine oil as well. You have to drain it and refill with new engine oil, which is almost every bike's first servicing consists of. Now the issue is this Kolhapur showroom guy is telling that he has limited number of filters and he is not able to give it to me because I have not purchased the bike from him, and he will only be in a position to replace it when new filters will reach to his workshop, which is extremely odd to listen. Then again I contacted with Thane showroom, and then he also explained he tried to connect with this Kolhapur guy, but there was no result. I driven down 450 kilometers now. I have exhausted around 850 kilometers, and it is again 450 kilometers away from Thane. So it is not possible to just go down to Thane, driving over there and change this oil filter. So I needed to kind of wait till this spare part is available in Kolhapur workshop. But somehow this Thane guy helped me on the day before travel. He gave me an additional filter which I can install in the bike while getting it serviced. So this is a kind of filter which needs to be fitted over here. This is the filter location, and here oil needs to be poured in, and there is a drain bolt. I don't know if it is correct, but here, if you can see, here is the drain bolt from where the existing engine oil will come out. So this is it. It is kind of disheartening experience when you are purchasing a bike of, say, around 2.3 lakhs rupees. It has a service warranty and etc. You have been charged. But Honda should look into these dealerships and those workshops where this kind of servicing is getting denied, and spare availability should be enough there. I mean, just for filter like this, it costs hardly, say, 75 rupees, and for this he is denying the first servicing is again kind of not so happening thing. So this is all I have currently to share with you. Just whenever you are trying to buy this bike, you should look at such things. You should call the showrooms and the workshops where this bike is supposed to be serviced. Let me know if you have anything on mind. I tried calling Honda customer care as well, but I could not reach today morning. So I'll try to reach to those people. By the way, I have got good response from Thane people, so they gave me this filter right at my doorstep, so I could drive through. So whenever you are buying and the servicing location is not near in your vicinity, or you're planning to travel say far away from the locations where this workshops are located, then just be vigilant and try to wait for some time, as I said in my previous videos, because buying a new bike and having such issues will really be difficult to handle. Hope this video is useful and you will take due care to get it serviced, and you will think of the locations which cities you're trying to buy, because even if you buy in Pune, and if you see in Maharashtra, they have only 3 centers like Thane, Mumbai and Kolhapur. So even if you buy at Pune, you have to drive down to at least Thane till you get it serviced. And one more thing is, you cannot service it at other Honda showrooms which are, selling the smaller bikes, because even if you service it there, the warranty will be lapsed, so you will not be able to hold on the warranty. So before buying, just get these things in your mind, plan accordingly, plan your trips. The bike is really good. I have just driven 450 kilometers. I'll share my experience of that ride very soon. Do subscribe to my channel, share the video, hit the like button. See you soon.